So, do people actually eat bread pudding anymore? I told the family I was going to make this, and they were like, "What?" I think I might have tasted it once at a restaurant, and I thought it was kind of weird, but it was sweet enough, so I guess that was good. The bread pudding recipe is right here on page 6 of the new ideas for cooking with basic food storage, and I just used the bread we made last week in this recipe. It's pretty dry, so I thought maybe it would work. But I really don't have experience making this kind of thing. So this is the whole wheat bread pudding. I've mentioned I've never made this before, and it said to serve it with some whipping cream, which I had, so I whipped it up. And we're going to taste it and see how it is. It's not bad. It tastes like bread and cream. It's kind of custardy, maybe because of the egg. I did cut the recipe in half because I didn't know if we would like it. If this was the only thing for dessert, yes, I would eat it, but I would definitely prefer a bowl of ice cream or a chocolate chip cookie. What did you just tell me? That you love this and you prefer it over a chocolate chip cookie, and it's so good. Okay, well, now we know someone likes bread pudding.